Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this electric knife sharpener. I took the little plastic off of it because it was so hard to open. But we're going to show you guys how this works here. Oh, look, it has the instructions right on the box. But we'll see what we got here. I guess this is the power adapter for it. Seeing as it's electric, I guess it needs a power adapter. Oh, here's instructions. So what was that? I guess these are the quick instructions, and these are the more complex instructions. So let's see what we got and what this sharpener looks like here. So this is what it looks like, and it's pretty nice actually. If you look at it, it's got the suction cups on the bottom, so when you put it down on something, it's gonna hold in place somewhat. I mean, you don't need it to hold like a rock, it just needs to hold in place good enough so it won't slide. And here we go. So we have a power outlet over here. And I can plug this in. So this is it now plugged in, and we have the off and on button. And you can see here we have the pull method. We have crude, which I guess will just grind the heck out of your knives. We have fine, and I guess it's kind of, yeah, you pull it that way. So, and then on, so when it's turning here, it's got the blades in there. And I don't know if you can see inside of it, you can see there's a coarse grinder on this one here, and this one here has a fine grinder. So we can do that, and then the way it works is you pull it through. So we're going to pull it through this way here. I don't need the coarse one. Actually, this knife isn't very sharp at the moment, but we'll just straight through the fine one here. So we will go right here, and that's how it goes, like that. So that's that way. And I guess that does the other side. So when I'm going on this one here, it's doing this side, and when I'm pulling on that side, it does that side. So you gotta get both sides of your knife. So this should be fairly sharp now. It is sharper. So let's see if it cuts. Here, I'll turn this off. Let's see if it cuts this cardboard. Look at that, it does. It's probably not the sharpest it's ever been in the world, but it's a lot sharper than it was for sure. I can even see the sharpness of the blade. Probably if you had one of those like super zoom microscopes or something, you could see, you know, how sharp it is. This one here, I can see there's, you know, it looks sharp to me. I guess let's go with a couple more passes and see if we get it even sharper. And there's that. Oh. Let's just give this a go now. It's sharper. I mean, it cuts, so I'm gonna say it's nice. Definitely sharper. I bet you next time we use this knife here, we'll be like, wow, how come it cuts things better than it did before? So super cool. I like it. Thumbs up. This is it here. It's by Northmas, and it's a nice sharpener. Easy. Thumbs up.